Hey everyone, so I just want to do a quick video for you today. We're still working on the studio, so I thought why not give them something to watch. So I'm doing something different. I wanted to use up some Purple Lake base paint that I had, so I went ahead and laid it on an 8x20 canvas. And I'm going to do a flip and drag. And I'm going to be using black, silver, and midnight blue metallic. So I'm just going to spray my cup. And that's the WD-40 silicone spray. And while you're here, if you're new, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Check out all the links below. We have lots of cool things to do. Okay, so I'm going to start with a good amount of black, probably 2 tablespoons. A little bit of silver. I didn't like the way that went in there. No, it was just a drip, not a clump. And some midnight blue. I have quite a bit of paint, but because the canvas background is so dark, we really want more paint to fill it up. So I'm going to swirl that just a little bit. And pop it on. I'm not sure how the metallic blue is going to play with the purple. That's probably one of the reasons I used more black. Alright, let me just drag it. I probably should poke a hole. Okay. There we go. She was being stubborn. I'm going to pull some of this down. I still want that purple to show inside of the flip and drag itself. Alright, let me move it around. Just want to get it off the edges. That blue really wants to take over, but when it dries, it's going to be a lot darker. But I just wanted something different today. So I'm going to airbrush this out. I see where my canvas is showing there from the cup, so we will get rid of that for sure. And I don't even care if it goes over the edges because it's filling up the canvas and just using the purple as a little background. I could have almost used that blue flash. That's kind of cool. Get the bubbles out. See if we have any more cells that want to come up. It's kind of cool how the purple is inside of there. I wasn't expecting that. So it does break it up a little bit. So if you're looking for supplies, the Amazon link is below. Everything that you need to get started for acrylic pouring is there. The washing machine tray that we pour on, the airbrush itself, the squirt bottles for paint, everything with the Treadmill silicone. I would say probably 98% of your supplies is on my Amazon shop. Okay, let's give you a close-up. So it's kind of neat. The blue is going to be much darker when it dries. But I'm kind of liking how that purple came in between. It is a dark painting, and it probably will dry dark, but when I resin this, it's going to be absolutely beautiful. And speaking of resin, let me just show you the birch board. Because we talked about the birch boards warping when we painted them. They do go flat again, but when you resin them, it flows over so nice on the birch board because it does not sag in the middle at all. So this one is beautiful. So these will all be going up in the Etsy shop next week. And of course we have an auction coming up on October 7th. And those will probably mostly varnish paintings that we do on Monday nights. But we will have a wide variety of paintings to bid on. We may do a short video showing the paintings that will be available for auction. We're working with time constraints right now, so we're going to do our very best to help you guys see everything that's going to be ready. If you're looking to get the stone coat resin, the code is still available. The link is below. Use the code CWA, all in caps. At checkout, you'll get $30 off your $80 order. So if you get the quarter, it's really a half gallon. They're quarter gallon bottles, but it's a half gallon. And pick out 2 metallic powders. Then you will get those powders for free at checkout. So definitely give it a try. It's the best resin that I've used so far. I just have so many paintings laying around here that I have been resining, and the finish is just amazing. Look at that glass. It's just like glass. So, yeah. Join us on the next one. We're going to be doing some quick videos this weekend because we're working on the studio. We did get all the walls painted. Yay. We do have some things to do with the floor before we move things around. So, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.